Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My glasses are fogging up because it's so hot. So today I'm going to take you through what I eat today. It's going to be really simple. So yeah, let's go ahead and get in the video. So last night I cleaned out our refrigerator, and so we have like no food in the house. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get food. But before that, I'm gonna drink a big old glass of water, and I'm also gonna make some iced coffee. I made some coffee and it's in the refrigerator, and I'm just gonna put it over some ice and put some half and half in it. I'm also gonna eat this Quest protein bar. It's the birthday cake flavor, and it's the one that I think out of the ones I've tasted, I think tastes the best, but I've only had a couple. So yeah, so this is a pretty good, I wouldn't normally recommend just eating a protein bar for breakfast, but I have like no other food, and so I'm gonna eat this real quick and then go to the store and then eat right when I come back. Alright y'all, so now that I've got my coffee made, I'm gonna get ready and go to the store. So I have a few errands that I have to run in town, so I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys with me. All right, mask on, about to have a heat stroke. Fantastic, let's go. I'm back from Walmart, and I don't know about you guys, but I hate Walmart. It's literally the worst. Like, everybody is so rude and just, I don't know if you guys ever watched Buffy the Vampire Slayer, but you know how there was like a hellhole under her town? I'm convinced that there's a hellhole under Walmart, for real, because it's the worst. And unfortunately, in the town I live in, we only have Walmart and like one other grocery store, and that other smaller grocery store, I usually prefer shopping there, but it takes forever. You have to wait in line to get in, and it takes forever. So I thought it would be quicker to go to Walmart. I don't know. It probably wasn't. It never is. But it's over, and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna make some lunch. All right, y'all, so I'm going to make a super easy, super quick buffalo chicken wrap using these low carb tortillas. I've got some canned chicken breast, some hot wing sauce, some romaine lettuce, and this is actually homemade ranch, not turnip pickles, yuck. My mom made this ranch, and it is bomb. It's literally the best ranch ever. And we're almost out, so I'm hopefully add the recipe to this ranch maybe in another video, but it is so good. You could also add blue cheese if you're more of a blue cheese person, which I am more of a blue cheese person, but this ranch is bomb. All right, so let's get started. budget-friendly lunch. So yeah, let's taste it and see what it tastes like. See if it's any good. It's really good. Yeah, super good. You should try this. It's super easy. Oh, it's spicy. Super easy for like on the go or really quick, or you know, if you're on a budget, whatever. Super good. Super good. And I have these little baby cucumbers. If you've never tried Tony's on cucumbers, you're missing out. They're so good. Okay, so it's been a couple hours and I'm gonna start getting dinner ready. I promise you, this video is not sponsored by Walmart, even though I'm loving the Walmart brands today. So I'm gonna make a creamy Tuscan chicken. And so I've got some sun-dried tomatoes that we're gonna put in it, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, chicken broth, some spinach, and of course the chicken. And I think we're gonna make some pasta to put over it. I think that would be good. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this recipe. So I'm so sad, but somehow my footage of me cooking the cream mixture got deleted. So after I cooked this chicken, I set it aside, put the cream mixture in the pan, let that cook until the cheese melted, and then I added the spinach, the sun-dried tomatoes, let that cook until the spinach was wilty, and then I added the chicken back in to the mixture and let that cook a little bit, and it turned out a little bit like this. Okay guys, dinner is finished, and I know you can't smell it through the camera, but it smells so good. So now it's time for a taste test. It's so good. It's so good. Well guys, I think that's just about it for today. It is late. It's been a long day, and I think I'm ready for bed, gonna get ready for bed. But that dinner was so good. I definitely recommend trying the recipe. I'll link in the description below. I'll put the recipe link, but it was super good. It smelled so good in here when I was cooking, and it tasted like it came from a restaurant somewhere. But it was really easy. It really didn't take very long. It didn't have that many ingredients, but it was simple. And if you're strict keto, you could eat it with like a side of like broccoli or asparagus. It would be so good with asparagus on the side. But yeah, it was super good. So all of today's meals were super pretty budget friendly. I mean, the protein bar, you know, doesn't cost much. The buffalo wrap was super cheap. Like, that was probably the most expensive thing, would be the wrap, because they're like specialty low carb wraps. And then the dinner was pretty inexpensive too. The heavy cream and the sun-dried tomatoes would probably and the Parmesan would probably kick up the price of that a little bit. But it wasn't too bad, but it was really easy, super quick, and that would be something that I would like to make a bigger batch of and have leftover. It was that good. So you could like take it for lunch or whatever. So thank you guys so much for watching. I super appreciate it. I hope that you found some recipes or something that you can use and get some value out of this video. If you did, make sure that you hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you know every time I post a new video. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for watching again. I love you all, and I hope that you all have a wonderful night. Mwah!